Welcome back to Taste the Weather with Julia. Today we're gonna make typical German Käsestangen or cheese sticks. They are the perfect savory snack and they're so much easier to make than you think. For around 10 cheese sticks you will need 120 grams of cheese, like Gouda, Emmentaler, cheddar, whatever you like, 240 grams of flour, 120 grams of cold butter, 60 grams of sour cream, 2 eggs, half a teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Start by kneading the flour, cold butter, 1 egg, the sour cream, salt and pepper together into a smooth dough. Try to work quickly so the butter stays cold. Shape the dough into 2 equal balls or a thick log, wrap it in plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for about 1 hour. If you enjoy recipes from around the world, subscribe to Taste the World with Julia for new ones every week. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius top-bottom heat. Then lightly flour the surface, roll the dough out thinly and cut into narrow strips. Then roll each strip into a long rope. Then you can either twist one long rope with itself or you twist 2 ropes around each other to create the classic Käsestangen shape. Lie them on the baking sheet and in a small bowl whisk together the yolk of the second egg with a tablespoon of milk. Brush each twist with this egg wash. Sprinkle the twists with grated cheese and sesame seeds. Then Bake for around 12 minutes until golden brown and the cheese is crisp at the edges. Let them cool just slightly before tasting. They're at their best warm. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Watch the next video here.